Our dog Fluffy. He's really, really bad though. Done. Okay, so we'll start with these first. I already know what it is. Don't eat my boot, please. I don't know if the dog should be on this. I look like a bad dog mom. I don't let my dog get away with anything. It just seems that way. Get down. Down. Stay down. Okay, so these are pyramid molds. We already kind of knew that. And we also know already that this one is rocks, because you can feel. But I can't get it open right now. And that is Fluffy Dog. There we go. This is package number 2. These are all for Orgonite. And it's a little stash of rose quartz. Although pink is not in the rainbow, apparently. Which,
Pink doesn't exist.
yeah, pink doesn't exist. Neither does... I'm not very good at the package opening. Okay. These ones are gemmy. They're not going to show up. Is that the right word?
Yeah. Looks almost like regular quartz.
It does. It's really light pink. All right. And then this is the moment we've all been waiting for, folks. There's more pyramid. There's a lot in there. Dun, 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 dun. It's okay, who needs them? These are my boots. Don't eat that. Done. Fluffy Dog, be good. We're almost to this is the grand finale. Okay, so these are my boots. You're ridiculous. Stop. Stay down. Sit. 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 Sit your butt. Okay. Good boy. You were being a good boy. Come on.
Fluffy, come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
Are you ready? Check out these babies. They're handmade leather. Ooh, beautiful boots. Up here is like a canvas. Oh, fucking look at the detailing in the leather. Oh gosh, we need a headlamp. Oh,
Look, they're coming out good.
beautiful boots. Look at this detailing there. Oh my goodness, look at these boots. Look at them, look at them. There's one. You can just stare at that for a while if you want.
The headlamp is blinding the camera.
Boot number 2. Look how nicely they come in their little socks. Oh my gosh. They smell so good. Okay, take off these dusty old things. They do smell really good. Sorry for sniffing my shoe, but they smell really good. They smell like they're amazing. Oh, and they fit perfectly. Oh my gosh. I have to tie them. And a cute bow. Oh, they're bar lace. That's cute. That one's not bar lace. What is it? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. What is even happening here? This is a magical moment. And then I will stand up. Okay. Tie another cute little bow. Let me get out of here. This is supposed to be a fluffy free zone, but not ever anything. Okay. Oh, and just in case you didn't know, I'm having a baby. Okay, look at these boots. Fluff, watch out. This is a magical moment between boot and woman. Okay, and that's that.